Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions to add a tag and remove a tag using your Drip account's integration with AEvent. To start, make sure that you're logged into your AEvent account. And from here, assuming that you have successfully integrated your Drip account to AEvent, from the dashboard, let's just access the timelines page. And from here, you just have to open your timeline. Once there, you will be directed to the page where we create timeline actions. You just have to click on the create action button from the upper right hand side and that set up the when you want the action to be triggered. So in this example, I'll be targeting it to be executed on the event day 5 minutes after the event has started or the webinar has started. I'll be targeting registrants, and again, I'll be using drip, and the action is to add tag. Just select the tag you want added. So I'll be selecting this one, for example, and then just click on create at the bottom. And we have successfully added that action. Now I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to remove a tag. So just click on create action button again. It's set up on the same day. Let's say, let's set it up 30 minutes after the webinar has started. And this time I'll be targeting non-attendees and select drip. And the option will be remove tag. And the tag that I want removed is the new registration tag. And then click on create again at the bottom. And we have successfully added that action. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel so you get notified of new videos uploaded to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.